Okay, hello. We are just going to do a summary of the lab for tomorrow. If you feel comfortable with this, then you should be fine. This is totally optional. You do not have to watch this. Okay, so everyone should have their rough copy of their table done because I did this the other day on Thursday, and you can even just copy in mine if you weren't sure from your rough copies, although a lot of people did really super well in their rough copies and you probably already got to work on that. So good copy of your observation table goes here. Please use a ruler. Remember to include a title and the units of measurement that you have included, okay? So that would be something very similar to this, would go down here. Maybe you did 3 observations. That was what was expected. Maybe you even did a couple of extra. Again, if you did not do the experiment because you were not able to go outside, that's fine. Still, please have a good copy of your observation table here so that it's very easy for you to fill this in tomorrow when we have our Zoom session as a class. Okay, now this is the second part. This is again for people who have done the experiment. People who have not done the experiment, you will still be expected to do this, but just based upon the information that we get from our classmates. Okay, so if this is my person, what you need to do is record a sketch of the shadow at each different point of the day in the space below. To make the time of the day clear, create a legend using different colors to outline the shadow. Okay, so draw. Okay, so if this is my person, I'm going to draw what my shadow looked like in the morning. Okay. Oh, this is going to be bad news. And then maybe kind of like this. Okay. And then I can put a legend over here. And then maybe this one was my 8 o'clock, or maybe I did this at like 8:15. Okay, 8:15 a.m. Okay, then you would choose a different color to show what it looked like at noon. Okay, so what did the shadow kind of look like when it was noon? I'm not going to finish it because this is what you guys are doing. So yeah, maybe this was exactly at noon, or we would say, I don't know, maybe I did mine at like 11, maybe I did mine at like 11:30. Actually, I did mine at 11:36 a.m. Okay, so it just depends upon what times you did this. So I actually wouldn't put in noon, I'd erase that. Yeah, and then you'd have another one for your last one. Okay, so that would be like at 3 o'clock or whatever time you happen to have done it. Maybe it was like, I don't know, 3:15. Okay, so that is, this is for the people who did the lab. Everybody else, you are going to be finishing this off tomorrow once you have the information from your classmates. Okay, that is it for today. By 1 o'clock tomorrow, I would like you to just take a picture of this and post it onto Seesaw, okay? So just you're taking a picture only of this one page and then posting it onto Seesaw. So even if you were somebody who did not do the work, I just want to kind of get a little bit of an idea of just the fact at least that you've done the good copy and that you're super ready and on the ball to be ready to quickly fill in the data for when we actually have our class. Because then we're not going to spend too much time on this tomorrow because we're going to be moving on to the other parts of the analysis of the lab. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. And I'm excited to see the data points that everybody collected who did this on the weekend.